I'm back. Joe Exotic is back. And today I'm going to teach you about discounts. Who doesn't love a good discount? Everybody loves a good discount. Everybody wants something on sale. Guess what? If you thought yesterday was easy, you're really going to think today's easy. So we're going to do the exact same thing we did yesterday. We're going to be finding discounts. So instead of adding what we are multiplying, we're going to multiply our TV by our discount. We got to turn that percent into a decimal, multiply them, and then instead of just taking it, adding it, we're going to subtract it. We can do this, guys. Y'all know how to do it. You ready? Let's go. So you have yourself a $239 TV, okay? And we're going to get a 10% discount because you know what? It's Super Bowl. And even though it's not really Super Bowl, I mean, let's be real. Our Cowboys, they ain't going this year. But we can still love them. All right, so we got a $239 television, and we're going to get it at a 10% discount. So let's figure out how much that's going to cost. How much are we saving? Totally cost, what would it be? So we got to turn our percent into a decimal by moving that decimal 2 places to the left, okay? So 10%, remember we drop the percent, make it a decimal, move it 2 places. All right, so we've got you got 1/10. And if you think about it, 10%, 10 per 100 is close to, if you did look at it like this, you could look at it like 10 over 100. I mean, same thing, but it's easier to multiply by just 0.1, okay? That's easy. All right, so we're going to take our $239 and we're going to multiply it by 0.1, and that's going to be 9, 3, 2, and we're going to move our decimal 1 place to the left, and we're getting $23.90 off this $239 TV. So let's subtract and let's see how much it's going to cost us. So we got $239 TV. We're subtracting $23.90. Okay? 0 minus 0 is 0. Oh, there is more on that floor. I got to go next door and get 10 more. That becomes an 8. This now becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 2 minus nothing is 2. So now we have $215.10. That's how much we're going to cost. That's a good deal, y'all. That's a real good deal. I don't even sell my Tigers for that much. You got you a $239 television, you get for $215.10. You can't get much better than that. All right, let's try something else, okay? We'll try another discount. And I'm just going to leave discount up there. All right, you ready? I'm ready. We're going to do a $14.99 clock, and we're getting it for another 10% discount. So we have a $14.99 clock. We're going to get it for a 10% discount, okay? So just like the last one, we don't have to just keep beating a dead horse. We can just say, all right, guys, it's going to be 10%. It's going to be the same as what we just did. We're going to move our decimal 2 places to the left. It's going to be 0.1. Okay, we got it. All right, so let's do our $14.99 times our 0.1. Okay, 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 times 1 is 1. And we got 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So let's move it 3 decimal places. All right, so we're going to be now that's not money. That's got 3 decimal places. We got to bump this up. This goes to a 10, so that means that goes to a 5. So this is really $1.50. Okay, we're getting $1.50 off this alarm clock. Hey, it's a pretty good deal. I might wake up on time now. All right, so this is how much we're getting. It is a discount. We're taking it off. It's a dis. Okay? If I dish you, I'm not making you feel better. I'm taking away from you. I'm not adding to you. I'm taking away. So a discount is taken away from that price. All right, so I've got $14.99. I got some annoying people out here. I'm about to go feed them to tigers, or jackhammering out here or something. And I'm going to subtract $1.50. Okay? Now, when we're adding or subtracting decimals, we do have to line our decimals up. All right, so 9 minus nothing is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. I'm going to bring down my decimal. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is nothing. So now, that's a pretty good discount. We got us a $14.99 alarm clock. We get it for $13.49. I think that's a dang good discount. What you think? All right, guys. We got us one more example. Remember, you probably should be pausing this and doing this with me, see if you get it right. You know, just, I give you the problem, you pause it, you see if you can get it right. Let's try that, okay? So let me erase this, and I'm going to, we're going to do a refrigerator discount. You know, sometimes I got to get me a refrigerator discount so I can save my meat. You know, that tiger meat, sometimes tiger die, don't let that meat go to waste. Ever had some tiger stew? Man, it's the best. All right, so we got us a $595 refrigerator. And this discount is going to be a 20% discount. We got us a 20% discount. Don't get much better than that. So just like with the 10% and everything, we got to turn this 20% into a decimal. So it's 20 per 100. So I'm going to go 1, 2, boom. Same thing as 0.2, okay? All right, y'all ready? Let's do this. So we're going to take our percentage of our discount. We're going to figure out what is 20% of this $595, okay? And then we're going to subtract it, and that's going to give us our discount. So 5 times 2 is 10. That 0 can stay, but the 1 got to go be with its other people, the 10s. All right, so you got 9 times 2, which is 18, and 18 plus 1 is 19. That 9 can stay, but that 1 got to go be with its people, the hundreds. 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11. And I've got 1 decimal place. So I'm going to move that decimal right there. Ooh, now look at that discount. That's a $119 discount. Woo, buddy. I might buy me 2 refrigerators. All right, so let's subtract it now. Let's see how much it's going to cost for us to get out of here. All right, just like a while ago, there's more on this floor. I got to go next door and get 10 more. That becomes 8, and this becomes 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. All right, and 8 minus 1 is 7, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So we're getting this refrigerator for $476. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's a pretty good deal. You know? Now, remember, if you can get this right, you need to raise your hand. We need to be doing some, Miss Mitchell need to come and helping you do some extra problems. Okay?